Right, hello again. So today we're going to pick this Master Lock Excell. Now I bought this from Homebase, fairly expensive. It's a security level 10, ooh, which doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be hard to pick. I think it means it's probably hard to cut through with bolt cutters. So let's get on with it. It's got quite a big keyway, so quite a fairly wide tension bar just at the bottom, and I'm going to use just my favourite standard hook. It's quite a shallow hook, this one actually. Okay, so I've picked this quite a few times, so I know that the order of the pins in this one that bind up is 3, 4, 1, 2. Obviously, normally, if it was a new lock you hadn't seen, you wouldn't know that. But so I'll just treat this as kind of like a tutorial of what you do when you find them. So if I move down to pin, so I sort of feel my way down, and I can the first two it's really springy, and then suddenly you hit this pin that's just doesn't move. So when I've got pressure on the tension bar, so as I get that, I just get the hook under, push it up till it clicks like that. So that's pin 3 set. So then again I feel like down, and it's like the one right at the end, same thing, and I think I got that. Certainly made a click. So now I know that the front one, which I might have actually made the mistake of hitting on the way in, so this might not even work. Skills, yeah. So the mistake I made there was, as I reached back for the far one, as you can see here at the top, I actually knocked the first pin too high up. So I've just got to start again. Some been overset. So take 2. So tension again. See if we can actually do this. So pin 3. Click. Pin 4. Start again. Oh, I'm doing awful. This is a bad angle. Let's see if I can get behind this camera here. Okay. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 1. And there's pin 2. Okay, so yeah, so I made a few mistakes there, but if you make a mistake and you push something too far, you just start again. So okay, thank you.